Hi, this is our homepage for our e-business assignment. Uh, we are promoting a bar. Our name is Panda House, and our target group is teenagers and young adults. So we use bits of words and a lot of pictures. As you can see, this is a picture where people like to have fun. Well, we're gonna go to About Us in a second. Yes, we're here. In About Us, we just give a short description of who we are and what's our reason for this project. That's it. Then we have events. In the events, we have promoted two events where you can come hang around with us and just have a good night out. Here is the first one, the Jungle Party and the Bar Olympics. The third one is just sort of in construction. Then we have as well gallery, pinboard, menus and prices, workshops, reservations, and get in touch. I'll show you around in the menus and prices. Sorry for the time. Here, as you can see, we tried to keep it a bit chic. Here, if you click in the beverage, the cocktails, you get a full description with the price. So I think that's nice. Then if you click here around, you get the cocktail of the month. And here are more some drinks. To show you more, you can reserve, get in touch. Here where you can just book a table with us. Have some more, just leave some love. And our gallery. Yeah, it's loading. Yes. Here you go. Here's where we show up the people, what we love, what we do. And that's about it. Thank you.